outside. But it looks like, oh my god, it looks like a real animal. Hi everyone.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
So we're going to be doing an unboxing today. So behind me
is some boxes that we got for Zimmy's birthday party.
So Zimmy is going to be a year old this
But
weekend.
the party's not gonna be at his actual birthday. That's the day before. And Zimmy's entering our YouTube channel finally. And Zimmy
We're going to be unboxing all the things we've bought from Amazon. So we've got this big box. We're going to be starting with this one.
we're gonna do it.
I'm going to be unboxing it all together.
Whoa! She just cut the box with her earring, guys.
Zane. I'm excited for this one.
Me too.
Ooh.
Wait a second, we don't even know what the item is.
Okay, let's see what is inside.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Zane, sit down, sit down.
Zane, sit down. What?
Ooh.
What is it?
I think the video is off.
What?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Wow!
Oh, okay. So before I finish opening this is our 4-in-1 tent, and I got this as a soft play for the party and also before and after the party. So we're going to start using this like immediately, and it's this
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
tent
whoa.
thing.
OMG! That's a big tent! Yes, see! Haha! I can go inside it.
No, wait, not like this so it doesn't spoil. Wait, I'll put it on that side. And so this is one. Let me move it away from me. Whoop, whoop. So we've managed to unbox only 2 things. I opened up this tent and I don't know if you can hear the screaming on the hallway, and I put some of the balls in. I have got one more bag of some more balls, which I'm going to pour in the tent. I think we'll need to find somewhere where we can put all those balls when they're not playing with it, because it's going to be a house of balls very soon with that tent. So I've got this big bag. I'm just going to pour that into the bag of balls, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the hallway. Okay, I'll open another bag of balls now. So they're going to be cleaning up all this place. Careful, oh, baby is there. Careful.
Who took the basketball? Who took the basketball? Not me. Do I really have
Careful, oh, careful.
Look, guys,
Okay.
I can get it in.
One at a time, one at a time.
This is so fun.
Right, okay, so while I'm keeping them engaged with all the toys and the balls and everything, I'm going to carry on unboxing all the things we've got here. So, let's do this one. It feels quite empty. No way. Like, see this whole box? That's all that is inside. That's all that is inside. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's all my really small toys. So this is what they're actually really small though, because I've got quite a lot of toys like this already. But maybe not this type of animals, but similar to this. So this is only 14 toys inside. I'll see how much this costs, because I've got some other toys like this. Maybe not exactly like this, but something similar. and it's pretty much this size. So, and I think I got it for about £1 something. I can't quite remember how much I got this one for. And this is the massive box it came in. Like, how guys? Amazon, hello. Okay, so that's this one. Then I've got this one. Like, they're not planning that we'll open this one. Okay, so that's what this one came in. It says, welcome to Zimi's first birthday party. I didn't realize it was going to be like this. I thought it was going to be like on something strong. And so what I'll need to do is I'll just need to get a board. I think I've got a board already and an easel. If not, I'll just need to find it, and this would go in the front of the house or in the front of the tent that we're using. But I need to like sort this out, so I'm just going to put this aside so I know that I've got work to do on this one. So I'll pretty much just set this up, not today because it's already 7:30 p.m. I'll set this up tomorrow so I know that this is out of the way. So that's this one. Next up is this bag. I'm not sure what is inside, but it looks like, oh my god, it looks like a real animal. Oh my god, that's it. Let me see what's happening outside. Okay, so I have this. Okay, just a bit of context. We're having a safari themed birthday party for my son. He's going to be we're having a safari themed birthday party for my son. He's going to be a year old on Sunday, but the party is going to be on Saturday because also his baptism on that day. So we've tried to order a few things to make the safari theme a bit more interesting. He's not even scared, and I'm scared of the thing. Okay, so I ordered the play pen thing outside, which they're currently playing with. My two kids are on there, but I think they were pushing this one out, so he's had enough. He was literally going up the stairs, so I've just brought him here to stay with me. So I ordered this. Hey guys, I'll just plug this in. I just noticed that I didn't actually show the item I was so gassed about. So it's this tiger soft toy I got off Amazon, and this is what it looks like. This guy here with the tail, and he looks so real. Oh my god. Okay, so next bit, let's go to the next one. And I'm using this thing to open it up. Before we open it up, we've got something else inside here. We have something else. Oh my god! So we've got this.
Mommy, what's that?
I don't know yet.
Giraffe?
So this is what the giraffe looks like. It's tall, but it's not as tall as I thought. That's a giraffe as well. So I'm just going to move this one to the side. Alright, so I also have this. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll just sneak peek to see what this is.
Bye.
So this is a table cover. So because it's a safari themed birthday party, I got some tablecloth. So that's 2 tablecloths. And I'm just going to see the length of what it looks like. Okay, so these are the table covers. It's 2 and it's quite big. So if it's not enough for one table, I would probably just cut it into half and just stick it together. So that's the table covers, and I will just put it back in the park just so I know where things are for the day. So it's slowly coming together, and I'm so excited about this. I'm also going to show you how we're going to be setting up the decoration today. I bought some balloons. It's somewhere in this mix. Okay, so this is the next box we're unboxing. And let's see what this is. Ooh. So this is the building blocks. You can do like lots of things to build. It says show your intelligence. You can build cars and ships and houses and castles. So that is that one.
And then you can pull them down.
Yeah. So that's that one. And we've got something here. Ooh.
Oh, monkey! Oh, it's so cute.
Hey, monkey.
Monkey.
So I've also got these flowers. They look something like this. I'm just going to like hook them in different places while I'm doing the decoration. So
Let me feel them.
there's about 90 something of them in here. So this is the next thing I've got, and I will just open it to see what is inside. So these are some stickers and tattoos that we've got for the kids on the day. And so these are just like safari stickers and some tattoos that we can just peel and place on the kids' hands. Next thing is this box. Let me just check that this is recorded with all of this noise I've got in the background. Alright, so this is the next box, and I'm just going to open it up to see what is inside. So these are the balloons. There is 2 packs and the colors are quite similar. So again, this is a safari themed balloon colors. So it's got green and it's got some, I think it's like gold and brown. And then we've got this box that says 1 on it. So we just need to stick the 1 on it and then just put some balloons inside as well. So there's 2 packs of this, and this again is from Amazon. So this is like the balloon gallon. I think it's about 150 something balloons in each of them. So yeah, I will put them in. This is the next box I've got on, and I am just going to open it up. Ooh, I thought this one was big. Is this all? I got this. It's called Jenga, and they did say it was going to be big, and I am quite surprised it's this small. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. I will check to see if I can return this and get a much bigger size, because I'm not very impressed with this one. So yeah, I'm going to be returning this to get a bigger size. So I will try to make sure that nobody opens this. Next thing is this box. I'm not sure what is inside, but I'm going to find out now. Okay, so this is our balloon column. So this is the balloon column I got. So it will be something like this. So I just bought the column, and then you can just put it in until you get the 4 stands. It's supposed to be 4 stands, so yeah, there's 4 stands inside. I did say I was gonna like try one of it, like just use it as a practice, because to be honest, I have not done any of this before, and I am all just trying things out. So it's going to be quite interesting to see how it actually turns out at the end of the day. So that's the balloon columns. I'm just going to put it on the side here. Last but not the least is this. And I'm sorry, what? So this was supposed to be carpet grass. So it says photo studio props. No, this is not what I wanted. So I'm definitely going to be returning this, also the Jenga, because Jenga is not big enough. Okay guys, so that is all the unboxing. I am doing today. I've still got some more going to be doing for later on, but for today we're going to call it a night because it's almost 8 p.m. and this ones need to go to bed now. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'm going to be doing like the decorations and everything else for my son's birthday safari themed party. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.